the love. So is this this is Chevelle plans?
You got 2.
Yep, I got that yet. That doesn't look like it's on there very good.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and happy 4th of July to everybody watching right now. I hope you enjoyed that new little intro. I know a couple of you have been saying the old intro was a little long, so we wanted to change it up. I'll probably change it up every now and then. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, we got a couple big projects coming up. I can't really tell you about a few of them, but you can probably guess by some other people's videos. We also have Fran's getting some stuff for the Chevelle. I know a few of you have been asking about that. We're gonna wait to unveil the big plans for the car until we get more parts in. But for now, we'll kind of give you a sneak peek and go from there. But right now we've got a couple cars to base on. We've got 2 black C6Zs, a white 427 convertible, and then also a CTSV coupe. So let's go get those baseline and then we'll get the rest of the episode started.
Steve gets to take his first guess. So Eric guessed is 469. What's yours?
478.
78?
Yeah.
All right. He's been right more than you lately, so.
Oh man.
He's 469. Scene is 478.
78. I'll be 482.
482. Alright, I just saw this. It's kind of fast on it.
I'm changing mine too.
Yeah, I have to now. 502. His guess is probably like right on.
Yeah. What do you got? 42.
482. I think that's right on. But I gotta go high now that I saw that. Been on there.
487.
Okay, 487, 482. You staying with yours? No?
Yeah, I'll stay.
Alright. They say that's the best bet.
It was 486.
You said 487. Was it 7?
Yeah, because that's the year I was born, 487. I always try to make the last number like something, you know.
Okay.
It means something, you know. Finally, another win, baby. Not bad. sounds about right.
lightweight flywheel and clutch. A little chatter.
Yeah, it's got chatter.
Is that all for the
That will do it for the baseline today.
Now go to work.
That's so great.
I can feel the love. So is this is Chevelle plans?
You got 2.
Yep, I got that in the end. That doesn't look like it's on there very good. That wasn't strapped down or nothing?
Just like you said.
Oh my God. I can't believe this got shipped. Wow. Why? What was the weight of it? Oh.
It should have been something like this.
Yeah. Or at least metal straps on it down.
It was strapped.
Was it?
Yeah. It was metal strapped. He obviously strapped it. I mean, he's like, you see, I made brackets to hold the fucking converter in. He's not gonna strap it. Like, I was like, oh, I get it. Let's
Yeah, the driver who picked this up, that's all I had was a strap. He should have refused it.
yeah, because I guess my buddies who shipped it, they have like a banding company too. He said they use metal
Banding.
Yeah.
And
This thing went through some
And then they're supposed to wrap it with shrink wrap. I've refused picking up stuff like this before.
Hey, Brad.
All right, well that's not going anywhere. At least that's it.
I'm really taking the snout off this and then we're sending it out.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, and then it's not going to be worked on for like weeks.
Oh. Fine. Whatever. Scene's got his next project.
Yep.
He's doing cam and 5-inch intake, right? Cam package.
Yes.
So valve springs,
Push rod,
push rods, cam,
everything here.
good stuff. And then our 5-inch. It's exciting stuff.
Isn't it?
Ooh, Matt's putting coolant in there. Does that mean it's ready to fire soon?
Start it right now.
You already flash it? Oh, I didn't even see you. Hi there.
But I gotta come over air filter for the Procharged. The fuel system's in the way.
Yeah, usually they have one that comes like that.
Yeah. I think if I just have a shorter filter, and obviously the bar is not gonna.
Right.
You can't read the bar on with air filter either, so it'd be real cool to get a filter that fits with the regulator and the strut bar.
True. It's almost like the AC line is in more so in the. Is it? The AC line.
It came with a bracket, but it really barely used it.
Yeah.
But we'll come up with something tomorrow.
Just put a friggin' screen on it. Send it.
That's what I would do.
Me too. I mean, it's facing the other direction.
Yeah.
If it was facing this way, then.
I mean, it just looks the best too, and because with their pipe, you can't even put oil in it.
Right.
You gotta take the intake off of it. I don't like the look of the pipe.
We need to come up with like a filter that's like just like a little filter.
Yeah, like a pancake.
Yeah, a little pancake filter. Hi there. What you doing in my waters? Pulled you out with my strong arms. That was the first date.
You don't have strong arms.
Pulled you up with my strong arms.
You have little puny arms.
Let's arm wrestle.
Okay.
You want to? Let's do it.
I'll destroy you.
I don't know, man. I beat off a lot. So that's your little elbow. To avoid it, then you don't think that's gonna work?
No.
I mean, I like the idea of nothing, but
Yeah, we'll see what Bill says tomorrow. I'm sure he'll have a good filter idea.
he'll just tell you to relocate the freaking fuel regulator. Put it on that side.
That's probably how I'll do the next Procharged car, but
That's usually where we put it.
I know. Unfortunately, we did, I didn't even have the Procharged box open because me and Eric were working on the fuel system before he had off last Friday. So.
And then Whipple one obviously doesn't need that.
out.
So it's bumper time. Or are you gonna wait?
No, we can put it on. Let me just stick some bolts in here. Something to hold this.
Just like that. Just like that.
Matt, you want to get a CR1 map sensor out of the back and put it in this? It's got a red sticker on it.
Red, huh? You know why this is good?
Yeah, because you didn't fucking have anything to do with it.
Because it's made in Germany.
Where the fuck are you made at?
Piece of Volkswagen getting a turbo right now. It's made in Germany.
How many miles are on it?
I don't know, 52,000.
See, so it's got a fucking powertrain warranty. Hell yeah.
Why do you think I'm not fucking doing it?
Who do you think owns Bugatti and Lamborghini and Porsche?
Isn't Lamborghini like French or something?
No. Lamborghini
Yeah,
is
and then the EPA owns them. So.
Lamborghini is Italian, but they're owned by Volkswagen,
Yeah, Italian.
who also owns Audi, which Lamborghini's practically Audi nowadays.
Volkswagen basically owns
Everything.
Germany, so
Except for BMW.
they still fucking suck though.
Hey, you watch your whore mouth.
Can't he work from home mostly? Just get like a.
Can't I just buy video cameras with microphones?
Put that camera on.
No.
You just do it from home?
I would love to do that. I wouldn't have to deal with you.
People get mad when we make fun of you. Brad, can you start making fun of Steve too? That would just put icing on the cake.
I'll just
Actually, that would put Jimmy's on the icing. Icing's already on the cake.
Jimmy's.
If Brad started making fun of Steve too.
It's sprinkles, you
What did I say?
Jimmy's.
Whatever.
Jimmy's, that's what they are.
They're f***ing sprinkles.
They're not fucking
They're
sprinkles.
sprinkles. Sprinkles! Oh my god, here we go.
They're first called Jimmy's.
What did I say first?
Jimmy's.
Jimmy's. Yeah. Jimmy's.
Sprinkles.
Guy who invented him's name is fucking Jim, so we called him Jimmy's.
Hey, do you want this? Is that what you're looking for?
I'm like, great, now where'd I put it?
Brad, what are they?
Sprinkles.
All right, there, Steve, you're fucking outnumbered. Go back to fucking Maryland.
I'm gonna
from.
I'm from Pennsylvania, the same state you're from, asshat. I'm gonna put a poll.
Way
Jimmy's,
different part.
Jimmy's or Sprinkles.
You can put it on the thing on YouTube, that side thing.
Yeah, I'll do that.
You can do it on Instagram too.
That's stupid.
Instagram one's easy.
Sub or hoagie?
Hoagie.
Yes, agreed. It's Hoagie Fest right now, by the way.
Their sucks anymore. I haven't got a hoagie from Wawa in years.
It's because your combination sucks.
It was a great comeback, Steve.
I'm just saying, you need to pick better.
I mean, if you're
choices.
ever stop photography, you should definitely be a comedian.
I've thought about it.
Yeah, your career would last about a day, and then you could finally do something else.
It's most comedians, actually.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta unplug it.
I'm not doing anything. I'm still making the file. Talking to Steve, he's distracted.
What else is new? That's all he does all day.
What?
Talk shit about me, to me,
To you.
about me.
I won't do it behind your back.
Bull-
If I do, I'll tell it to your face. There's a difference.
Bullshit, I got a 3 a.m. wake-up calls in Ocean City from you.
That was pretty funny, though. Sleeping like a little bitch. That's still
Come
fucking,
down, you
still great.
From Green Turtle MAR this year.
I still have the voicemails.
We had a couple adult beverages.
A couple.
You suck for not being here. You suck. You asshole. Steve!
Sleeping like a little bitch.
Dude, was there like 8 of us in that fucking van?
Yeah, I was laying across over his lap.
It was a good time.